this old world starts getting me down. People are just too much for me to face. I climb way up to the top of the stairs. La da 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 da. And on the roof's the only place I know. You just have to wish to make it so. Up on the Good thing this isn't a singing lesson, or actually none of them are, but I think it kind of helps if I can sing a little bit of what we're going to learn. Today we're going to do Up on the Roof. Now this one is in the key of G, so let's talk about what are your three main chords in the key of G. Okay, let's go back. What's the 1, 4, and 5 in the key of G? So now we have G, A, B, C, and D. So you have G, C, and D. Okay, that's your 1, 4, and 5. So G, C, and then of course D 7th. Normally the 5 is the 7th. Okay, and we have G's relative minor. Remember we were talking about that in the last lesson. You have G, C, and D. The E minor is the relative minor to G. And let me show you the little intro that I did on this thing here. This is just a G to a G6. What I'm doing is this is your G chord. Your first finger is on the 5th string, 2nd fret, and I'm just moving it down one string. That's the 6th. And I'm doing a little bit of palm muting down here. This old world is getting me down. Okay, so we have the G to the E minor, which I think we've done that. It's kind of a little bit of a dive bomb, and now we're going to go G for a measure, E minor for a measure, and we need to go to the C, which we did this in Pull Away Fair and Stranger on the bridge. Okay, so again, just you're on that E minor, hop your 2nd finger down, and you're going to make your C chord. And then C to A minor. This is a very common chord progression. Again, let's start off first. We have 3 main chords and 3 relative minors. So to G, the 1 chord, E minor is its relative minor. Let me show you something I didn't show you last time. So if you start from the root note, this is an easy way to do this. Okay, here's your G. Okay, this is your root note. If you count down 3 frets, 1, 2, 3, make that a minor. Okay, that's G's relative minor. Okay, now your 4 chord, which is C, its relative minor is A minor. So again, if we count down 3 from this is your root note, this is C. 1, 2, 3, that's A minor. Okay. So far in this song we've done the 1 chord, its relative minor, the 4 chord, and its relative minor. And then we're going to go back to the 1. So we have that little intro. And this old world is getting me down. People are just too much for me to face. Climb way up to the top of the stairs. All my cares. Let me try that again. 'Cause I'm way up to the top of the stairs. All my cares just drift out into space. Okay, so then we're going to go into the chorus. Going to go to a C chord. On the roof, it's peaceful as can. Okay, so we're going to go to the C chord, and then we're going to go to the C major 7th chord. Okay. Now this one here, I have to warn you ahead of time. This can be like really, really hard to do. Okay, you might need, you know, an extra finger and a couple of extra toes to be able to play this chord. So when you're on your C chord, C major 7th chord, you're just going to lift your first finger off. See how easy that is? So we're going to go 2 measures on that C. 1, 2, 3, 4. C major 7. 3, 4. Back to G. Here comes the D7. Okay, so let me take you all the way through that chorus. On the roof, it's peaceful as can be. Verses now. And that's it. That's Up on the Roof. This can be a little bit more of a challenge to most people, or to most beginners, I should say. So I'm going to have the chord sheets along with this one here. I don't think I have a backing track for this one. I'm not sure if I'm going to do one or not, but this is again another good song to learn for your chord practicing. You know, I just kind of think of it, the more songs you play, this is just going to give you a lot more repetition learning those chords. So I think that's about it on this one here. So thanks again for your support and for dropping by. I sure appreciate you watching the videos, and please subscribe to my channel, and I would really appreciate that. Would really help me out a lot. So going to continue making these videos, and so we will see you in the next lesson. So thanks again, really appreciate it, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.